5G has gone commercially in the region for 3 years. At the moment, we see there are 17 networks already commercially launched, with over 16 million 5G users across the region, and this including over 1.3 million home mobile broadband users and 45,000 lease line-based business users. So the early launch of 5G networks in the region have bring a massive business benefit to the carriers in the region. For example, in the first year launch of 5G networks in Q8, we have seen the carriers' overall profitabilities increased by 13%. So the success of the 5G network is down to a number of reasons. So one of that is well-balanced spectrum policies across many countries. And the second one, of course, is the innovative services being launched by the different carriers, such as the home mobile broadband services and the lease line, the business services. The last one what we see is the fair, open business environments, where it encourages the carriers to select the best technology to fast deploy the network without any restriction. .5G, of course, will bring more advanced features to this. So this is kind of the concept Huawei outlined 5.5G back in 2020, and 3GPP actually officially launched the 5G Advanced in 2021. What we see in the 5.5G evolution, there will be a whole bunch of the new wireless technologies where to provide better capacity, better coverage, and better spectrum efficiencies. And in addition to that, we will see the deployment of the passive IoT that utilizes the RFID technology with wireless technology to reduce the cost of IoT devices and to actually make it more energy efficient. It means the device will use very less or no power at all. So together with the Red Cap and the NB-IoT, passive IoT will provide the 100 billion connections we envisage and will significantly accelerate the industry digital transformation. And the last technology, we're of course looking at the sensing technology. So this will help to totally transform the business scope in the communication network. So altogether, we will envisage to see more advanced, more superior user experience, and we will address some of the bottleneck of the, for example, the video uploading bottleneck that we experience in 5G network, and to enable the billions of connections to help with the industry transformation. The future intelligence world will be ubiquitous intelligence that integrates the virtual world with the physical world. As such, we envisage a massive amount of data will be produced and transmitted through the network. So Huawei did some predictions. So in 2030, we envisage there will be more than 200 billion connections worldwide, and with over 1 yottabyte of data being produced in the network. As such, so it requires the network being able to, in addition to manage the massive amount of connectivity requirement, coverage requirement, performance requirement, you also need to be more resilient, more secure, more intelligent, and more efficient. So Huawei, to help carriers to achieve this vision, we outlined the concept called the 5.5G era. So in addition to the 5.5G wireless technology, the 5.5G era also including the technologies in the fixed network will help to achieve this vision. We call that F5.5G, and also the net 5.5G will provide the technology in the IP networking. And in addition to that, we propose the level 4 kind of autonomous driving network, which is the highest level of that. So this will be the totally integrated AI managed network operations and to better experience management. And in addition to that, we also propose the 3 layers green development in the site, in the network, in the operation will help the operators to achieve the sustainability requirements.